Unraveling the Truth. Understanding Tell Fibs in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson on English phrases. In this video, we're going to explore the meaning behind the phrase, tell fibs. Whether you're just starting to learn English or looking to add more expressions to your vocabulary, understanding such phrases can make your English sound more natural. So, let's dive in and unravel the details of this interesting expression. Tell fibs is a phrase that means to tell small lies or untruths that are often harmless and not intended to cause any serious harm or deceit. It's important to note that fibs are generally less serious than outright lies and are sometimes used to avoid hurting someone's feelings or to get out of a tricky situation. The word fib is considered informal and is more commonly used in casual conversation. It's a term that parents might often use with children, for instance, when teaching them about the importance of honesty. The term fib dates back to the 17th century, but its exact origins are somewhat unclear. It may come from the word fable, which refers to a story that's not true, or it could be derived from an old Germanic word meaning to fiddle or trifle. Despite its origins, the phrase has been used in English for several centuries and is well understood by native speakers today. Let's look at some examples of how tell fibs might be used in everyday conversation. A mother might say to her child, "Now, don't tell fibs. Did you really brush your teeth?" Someone might admit, "I had to tell a fib when my friend asked if I liked her dress. It wasn't my style, but I didn't want to upset her." In a humorous tone, someone might confess, "I've told a few fibs in my time to avoid getting in trouble at school." These examples show how tell fibs can be used in various scenarios without the intent of causing serious harm. It's crucial to understand the difference between tell fibs and tell lies. Lies are false statements made with the intent to deceive. Lies can be serious and have significant consequences. On the other hand, fibs are not usually about important matters, and the intention is not usually to deceive but rather to avoid a particular situation or to be polite. Thank you for joining us in today's exploration of the phrase, tell fibs. Remember, while it's often best to be honest, English speakers understand that sometimes people tell fibs to spare someone's feelings or to avoid minor trouble. We hope this video has been informative and adds a fun, new phrase to your English vocabulary. Until next time, keep practicing, and don't forget to smile. You never know when a little fib might be necessary.